Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding ticker symbol AAPL, and we all know that this is for Apple. This is such a stock, everyone knows about it, and it's a mega cap. And today I'm making this video because on a weekly chart you can see here we just broke the downward trend. So the downward trend is gone and now the stock wants to push higher and higher. So I will come back to the chart again because I think I want to show you on a weekly, on a daily, how the chart is looking, where the price is going, and what we are expecting regarding price target, because they have an earning end of the month, and just before the earning what we are expecting, and after the earning what can happen, and especially if you are interested to make some quick money, also playing with some call option, how can we make some money. So stay till the very end because I think this video will be very interesting and we can all make some money. So first of all, I do not want to give any introduction about Apple because I think we all know about Apple, and most probably you have been using their iPhone or iPad or their TV, anything. So I'm not going through what is Apple. I think we all know about it. And also you also know about their car. I think Apple car, that's the name. So again, I'm not going through the news, we all know about this. The good thing is if I go to Nasdaq, it has a strong buy. You can see strong buy here, and you can see all the big names here who gave an average price target of $154, let's say $155, with a high of 175 and a low of $83. So just looking at 154, the stock is currently around $133, so there is a clear upside for sure. So in this video I want to talk about the chart pattern because it seems like we are breaking out. At the same time we have an earning. You can see the earning is end of the month, April 28th, after market. So I will also talk about how we can utilize the information to make some quick money, and how we can use the earning hype run up and we can make some money. Also, I also want to make sure that Apple looks like a very good recovery stock, because you can see that the other big names like the Facebook, Microsoft, they have already gone a lot, and for last few days all the big tech stocks are running, the mega cap ones. The small cap markets are not doing very good, but the big caps, they are really doing good, and you can see the SPY, QQQ, all are doing good. And maybe if the SPY wants to run even higher, who knows, like even Apple will run higher on Monday. But anyway, I'm not predicting the price for 1 or 2 days, but in here I just want to talk about more towards April 28th. So keep that in mind. April 28th aftermarket is the earning, and how Apple does in their earning, let's have a look in this particular chart. So the light color is their estimated EPS and the dark color is the actual EPS. And you can see that almost everywhere the dark ones are higher than the small ones. So you can see the big dark bars here. So the actual EPS is higher than the estimate. So let's look at the last one, which was on 27th of January. So it was 1.68 compared to 1.41, 0.73 compared to 0.61. Everywhere it's higher and higher. It means that Apple does excellent job during their earning, and they beat their earning by a lot. Therefore, just before the earning there is a run up towards the earning date, and again sometime, and again I'm saying sometime, when you see there is a very good earning, then there is another thing, by the hype, sell the news, those kind of thing. After the earning, sometimes the share price comes down, sometimes it goes up, but in the price I will show you how the run up happens before and after the earning hype. So stay with me, I'm not done yet. And the last one on Friday's action. So Apple was the number one on all US exchange volume leaders. You can see that 106 million Apple shares were traded. So Fubo was second. We know Fubo had a news and I made a video on that, and but the Apple was number one. And why? Let's look at the chart. On a weekly chart you can see that finally we have broke out this downward trend. So we broke out and you see the massive green candle here. That's a weekly chart, and it confirms that the downward movement is gone. We we were having a correction, and mostly all the tech sector stocks were heavily beaten, and now it's time to come back. So this is why I'm saying a recovery stock for now, because I think all the tech stocks are doing good, especially the big caps. So definitely look at the chart here. Now from weekly, let's move to a daily chart here. Again, beautiful chart. You can see for last back-to-back days we are having big green candles. We have a big candle, then followed by small green red candle, then again a green candle. So it seems like we are very bullish and we wants to go higher and higher. I will come back on that part, but let's look at Apple earning. So there was an earning here, and before the earning there was a run up. After the earning, you see there was a run up. Same thing after the earning. Before the earning, few days of run up, then after the running, huge run up. Same thing if I come here, after the earning, another run up. Again here, before the earning, there is a run up. So sometimes it's before the earning, sometimes it is after the earning. So now we are around 11th of April and the earning is on 28th. So we are looking and targeting to the before the run up. So if we want to play with shares or call option, definitely before April 28th, I think we will go higher for sure. After the earning, I do not know, because earning is always a gamble. Sometimes the company, they make very good earning, but what you see, like there is a drop in share price. So earning is always like a gamble. So let's focus on the run up before the earning. Okay. So what we can see here, the share price is trying to make a U-shaped recovery here, right? So let's draw some lines here. I'm gonna draw some line here. So first of all, that was one point around 120. That was a good support here. So the share price never came below 120. It consolidated for few days. It's a daily candle, so consolidation happened and then it broke that channel, the triangle you can say, and then it's going up. And what's next? The next resistance was around $128 mark. So that was around 128. You can see 128, it was the previous resistance here. So we broke that 128. Keep that in mind. In any case, if it comes back to 128, grab some share or buy some call option. So after 128, what happened? We wants to go higher. So the next one, we are going around $132. So you see a candle here. So 120, 132, you see 132, 132, 132. So we are above 132. We are currently around 133, and if Monday morning the pre-market is higher, definitely we will try to go even higher and higher. So what's the next stop? Definitely around this area, around 137, let's say 138. And why 138 is so important? Because you can see we tried to break here 138, we couldn't. Again we took some time, we came back, again we tried, we couldn't. Then again we came down, and again in February we tried 128. Yeah, we broke, sorry, 138. We broke, we went up, then after the market correction we came down. Now again we are making a U-shaped recovery and we want to touch 138 again. So before the earning, I'm expecting from 133 we can go to 138, and if we can break 138, we will definitely go higher. Now so many things will be dependent on earning, so we can go even higher or we can go even lower, but anyway, before earning, let's target 138, and once we can break 138, the next target will be around 144, and after 144 maybe we can go around towards 150, but let's target 138 to 144 before the earning. So playing with call option or playing with share, entirely up to you. The final thing I want to show you, on a candle, you can see on a 15-minute candle, the last few minutes on the last trading day, you see the big candle. So buyer is still coming, the buyers are coming and they wants to buy and they wants to push the share price higher and higher. So very bullish sign. So watch the market, pre-market, and if there is any kind of pullback, then get in. And also when you look at the daily chart, we were having back-to-back big green days, so it's entirely possible we will have a red day, maybe not massive red but maybe a small red. So whenever there is a pullback, then you can enter into that particular stock for a quick swing trade. And definitely if you're a long-term holder, then definitely you have a long way to go. Not bad. So looking at a 15-minute chart, so you can see that we just wants to go higher and higher. So there is no point of stopping here, right? So this is the point I was showing here, right? And it looks like my chart and my support is really doing good, because I was drawing it looking at a daily candle. Now it seems like we broke that 132, we went up, we came back, and again 132 became a support. Now what's happening, we came down here. Now we might push higher, or we make another little pullback here and we higher. So it's not like we will just shoot and go to 138. It can be a stair, and we will slowly go up and down with zigzag, and finally we will touch 138 before the earning. This is what I'm predicting here. So do not just blindly jump Monday morning. Like, look at the price action, wait for a pullback, then you can get in. The last one I want to talk about, the call option, if you really want to make some money. So the earning date is April 28th. So let's look at April 30th, which will give you 21 days of expiration date. Implied volatility is 32. It means that even though if the share price comes a little bit down, like your premium will not drastically go down. So if you want, you can take 133 strike with a premium of $410, which means your break even is $137. We are targeting 138, so break even of 137. I think this looks good. Delta is 51, meaning that $1 increase in Apple share price, you will get $51. So let's say from 137 we go to $138. So $5 increase can definitely give you $200 to $300 increase. So you spend $400 and maybe you can get $200 to $300 in profit. It again, if all goes in the right direction. Otherwise you get in with $400, you secure $100 or $200 profit, you get out. Don't be greedy, just secure profit, because it's not likely it will go higher each and every day. Not like every day will be green. So it can be a green candle, take the profit, then for the red day just again enter. So it can be rinse and repeat type of thing. And again, these are expensive. If you want to take more time, you can even go with further expiration date like May 21st. But keep that in mind, when you take a further expiration date, your premium will be higher. So it's not bad. Like this one, instead of 133, your strike is 135 and your premium is $430. So you are getting more time. At the same time, you are just spending $20 and still your break even is 139. Not bad. So entirely up to you how you want to play. Personally, I will play with call option. I will just get in and get out. This is what I was doing last week. Get in with a call option, made some profit, and I got out. I'm not holding it over the weekend. So entirely up to how you want to play. Do not risk your money, because you never know what will happen. And I haven't checked the pre-market, so I need to check. This is all dependent on SPY and QQQ. These stocks moves with the big ETFs. So anyway, my friends, so that was the plan before the earning. So using the information, we can quickly make some money, definitely. And that's it. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to make a couple of videos on Apple and Facebook, because they both have earning on April 28. So we can play with call option or share. So the next video could be on Facebook, just to show on support and resistance and some call option. So if you want to make some quick profit, so join my team, subscribe to my channel, and let's make some money together. Thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.